imagine this. Two people buy the exact same groceries. Same broccoli, same carrots, same spinach. At the end of the week, one plate is bright, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. And the other plate has lost a lot of its power in the pan. This video is about the quiet difference. How you cook can either protect nutrients or slowly wash them away. Let's make your everyday cooking a little smarter without making it complicated. Most nutrients don't just vanish by magic. They escape mainly through 3 doors: heat, water, and time. Some vitamins, like vitamin C and many B vitamins, are a bit shy. They dissolve into cooking water easily. They don't love long rolling boils. Minerals like magnesium or potassium often stay, but they can move into the water too. And when we throw that water away, we throw away some of the goodness we paid for. The good news? You don't have to memorize charts. A few simple cooking habits can protect most of what you're already buying. First principle: less water, gentler heat. When we boil a big pot of water and let vegetables swim around, water-soluble vitamins escape like little swimmers into the pool. Steaming, light sautéing, or using just enough water keeps more nutrients inside your food. Think of it this way. If water turns bright green after you cook broccoli, a lot of the goodness is in the water, not the florets. So instead of a huge pot of boiling water, try a shallow pan, a splash of water, lid on, and cook just until the veggies turn bright and tender. Bright color, gentle bite, light steam. That's your visual clue you've done your broccoli a favor. Second principle: size and time. The smaller the pieces, the faster they cook. Faster cooking usually means less time for nutrients to break down. Chopping carrots into coins rather than giant chunks can shave minutes off the cooking time. Same with potatoes, sweet potatoes, or beets. But we're not chasing raw crunch for everything. We're aiming for just enough. For many vegetables, just enough means soft on the outside, a gentle bite inside, and the color still bright, not gray, not brown, not tired. If your veggies look sleepy and sad on the plate, they've probably been in the pan a bit too long. Third principle: some nutrients are shy and only show up properly when you invite fat to the party. Vitamins A, D, E, and K, and many plant pigments like beta-carotene and lycopene are fat-soluble. That simply means your body absorbs them better when there's a little healthy fat nearby. So when you roast carrots with a drizzle of olive oil, or simmer tomatoes in a sauce with a bit of oil, or or dress your greens with tahini, avocado, or nuts. You're not just making them taste better. You're helping your body actually use the nutrients you're eating. It's not about drowning food in oil. Just a mindful drizzle or spoonful can make a real difference. Fourth principle: acid, herbs, and spices. They're not just decoration. A squeeze of lemon or splash of vinegar can help veggies keep their bright color. Herbs and spices add their own antioxidants, little plant protectors that join the meal. You can cook aromatics like garlic, onion, ginger, or turmeric gently at the start, just until fragrant, not burned. Then add fresh herbs like parsley, cilantro, basil, or dill near the end to keep their aroma and delicate compounds. Think of it as layering support. The vegetable brings its nutrients, and herbs, spices, and citrus bring backup. Fifth principle: your leftovers can quietly get smarter too. When you cook and cool some starchy foods like potatoes, rice, or pasta, part of their starch changes into what's called resistant starch. Resistant starch acts more like fiber. It feeds your good gut bacteria and doesn't spike blood sugar as quickly as some hot, fluffy starches. So cooking once, cooling, and reheating gently can turn your leftovers into a tiny gut-friendly upgrade. Store them in glass or airtight containers. Reheat with a little water or broth, not harsh frying, and you've got a smart base ready for quick meals. Let's put the pieces together. You steam your greens in a little water, lid on, just until they turn bright. You roast carrots or sweet potatoes with a small drizzle of olive oil. Yesterday's cooked grain comes out of the fridge. You reheat it gently with a splash of water in a pan. You add a spoon of hummus or tahini, a handful of fresh herbs, and a squeeze of lemon right before serving. Nothing fancy. Just small choices. Less water, gentler heat, a bit of healthy fat, a burst of herbs and citrus, and smart use of leftovers. This is smart cooking for nutrients, not a strict rule book, but a way of thinking each time you turn on the stove. You already care enough to buy the vegetables. Now your cooking can quietly support what you're trying to do. Nourish your body with the same food, just treat it a little more kindly. If this helped you see your kitchen a bit differently, take one idea and try it in your next meal. For more gentle, science-backed food tips, I've linked videos on raw versus cooked, smart starches, juice versus smoothies, and simple detox rituals. Let your meals stay colorful, calm, and full of the nutrients you're already working so hard to bring home.